my channel ABC Color Art.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट A to Z तक समाल ABC। सबसे पहले हम कलर नेम सीखेंगे। ब्राउन कलर, पर्पल कलर, ब्लू कलर, लाइट ग्रीन कलर, येलो कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, सी ग्रीन कलर, रेड कलर, लाइट पिंक कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, red color. A is for apple, sky blue color. B is for ball, brown color. C is for car, C green color. D is for dog, yellow color. E is for elephant, light green color. F is for frog, purple color. G is for grapes, red color. H is for hen, sky blue color. I is for igloo, brown color. J is for joker, sea green color. K is for kangaroo, yellow color. L is for lemon, light green color. M is for mango, purple color. N is for nose, red color. O is for onion, sky blue color. P is for pumpkin, brown color. Q is for queen, sea green color. R is for rose, yellow color. S is for sun, light green color. T is for tiger, purple color. U is for umbrella, sky blue color. V is for van, brown color. W is for watermelon, sea green color. X is for Xmas tree, yellow color. Y is for yo-yo, light green color. Z is for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thanks for watching.